Alright, Ian, if we turn on the key down here, okay, your main I command comes on, and then you can actually scroll through these just using the pages or the enter button. So you can actually go through and see the different levels right here. This gauge will flip through and show you the different things. This one stays actually where it is. And then over here, your main Lowrance system, we got it all dialed in. All the gauges right now are live, you can see, except for your miles per hour and the actual consumption over here, which they don't liven up until we actually start the boat. Okay. If you hit pages on your actual Lowrance, you can come up and it comes to here. Now if we scroll down, it'll give a split screen, or if we stay on top and you hit side to side, it'll pull up the different displays that way. Now if you go to structure scan and we hit enter over here, it's going to come up no source until you come over to your accessories, which are your switches here. The very first accessory switch on your dash turns on the structure scan. So when the light's on, just give it a few minutes and you'll see the actual structure scan liven up. It's just going to turn the computer on down below the dash. And while we're waiting for that to liven up, the other accessory, oh, there it goes. It's going, but we're out of the water right now, so it's not going to show much. The other accessory has nothing hooked up to it. You do have 12-volt power here. You have raw water in for your actual live well, and then you have your console bait well water out. You have your cockpit lights, bilge pump, navigation lights is down here, and then the last one, of course, is your horn. Okay. Now your main shifter is here, and your kicker shifter is over there. And I'm just going to spin you around underneath the dash, and we're just going to show you where everything is. So if we come down to here, open up the seat. Okay, there's your structure scan module, that gray box in the back there. Okay, I put the box for the HDS-8 down in here as well. There's your oil and battery strapped down right beside. Okay, this is your main shut off, and it has circuit breakers not here as well. Okay, that's just telling us we have no GPS signal. But the circuit breaker there, we will turn that off for shipping and then turn it on just to the one then for running here. Okay. And there's two fuses right up in here. Those two fuses, one's for your structure scan, the other one is for the actual HDS-8. And because we're in the building, it will not pick up satellite signal. But you can see the back of the HDS-8 here with all the plug-ins and that. And it is screwed in place so that way it can't pop out of the dash for you. Alright, Ian. The engine oil that's in it, I went through, I think, on the one video about the Evinrude. It should just be the standard oil that Evinrude uses. Please don't run anything else in it. You're going to want to run the proper Evinrude oil, which is the 50. They have a 30 range, 50 range, and the 100 range. The 50 range would be your best to run, and if you want to go to the 100 range, you can. You just have to have the engine reprogrammed really to run it. I'm just going to turn that off. Okay, and I think that's about it, Ian. We're going to cover the boat. If I zoom out, there's the shipping truck right there, and it is waiting for us to load this on there. They're here early, which is good, so we're going to get it all loaded up, and hopefully next time you see your boat, it will be in St. John's. Well, Ian, I'll talk to you later.